Say baby I love you. 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 I love you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and the only Mimi, and I'm feeling much better today. Today's video is going to be how I style my lace front wig. I'm in my PJs because it's like nighttime here, so if the lighting looks a little bit off, I do apologize. I'm using my ring light though, not my headlights. So what you'll need is some type of serum oil. I like to use oils and stuff by Organics, so I'm just gonna put some in my hand. This, like, their stuff doesn't make the hair oily or greasy or whatever, and it makes it smell very good. I'm just already splitting it down in two. If you're concerned about like burning yourself, you can always use one of these things that I got from the wands, but you don't have to. Make sure you put most of the product on the ends and then work your way up. So I'm really like feeling the whole ashy blonde hair and side part. This brow sitting on my brush. You're gonna need a brush, and of course you're gonna need your flat iron. So this is a flat iron that I sell on my website, $80, slaymymimi.net. It comes in different colors, but of course I got pink because I like pink. And it goes up to 480 degrees. Right now it's on 392. So this is gonna be simple and fast. Well, it's supposed to be. So you're gonna brush that out. But yeah, like I was saying, I like the whole ash blonde hair and side part. I think it really complements my skin. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I'm not sure if you can see the lace or anything, but I did bleach the knots. I'm just liking it. This was 613 hair, but I did tone it with the Shimmer Light shampoo. I think I'm gonna wear my hair like this until my birthday. It's not certain though, because I said that about the last hair, and look where we are now. My phone might die, but it's fine. Make sure there's no tangles or no knots. I did have my hair wrapped up all day because I was just not feeling to look cute today. Probably when y'all see the end result, I'll look cute, but filming this at nighttime, so bear with me. So once it's all brushed out, you're gonna take like and do it. So I don't really do an order, I just start and do it. Look how straight that got. Hair is available on my site. I did, like I said before, I did customize the color on its own, so this color is not available on my site. But if you want me to do custom coloring, you would have to just pay that extra fee, or I might do a tutorial on how to do it. There's million of tutorials, but still. So I just wanted to get it straight enough, so because the style I'm trying to do is just put it like that. So like you swoop it down a little bit more. So let's go ahead and start on this side. And then we'll show y'all the final look. I think like this type of ash blonde color complements my skin well, make me look really caramel goddessy. I don't know. Just so. I thought I would do like a little talk while I'm doing this, showing you guys how to do this, because some people like when I talk and some people like when I do the voiceovers. So like you'll never know what you're gonna get on my channel because I do everything, to be honest with you. But that's what makes me me. That's what makes me me. So yeah, now it's just this part. Oh my god, that's hot. It's hitting my skin. I think this is a 24-inch or a 26-inch. See, I'm short, so like stuff be longer than what it actually is. So I don't know. I think it's 26-inch lace front wig. But I can't wait to show you guys how I'm gonna do my birthday hair. That's gonna be another video. I'm so excited though. And this hair is naturally straight. I don't know why it had like a body wave to it. But I did have it like in ponytails and wrapped up. So maybe that's why it like formed its own little thing. Okay, so I think all of that is done. Didn't take me that long. Like what, 10 minutes? And I'm already like just brushing it out. Like look at that. Like I know people lie when they say their hair don't last as long as my hair does, because I'll wear the same hair that I sell. So they just be trying to scam people. And all the clients that I do have, they always tell me that my hair lasts a long time and you can dye it easily. You can do whatever you want to this hair. So, you know, get the good and the bad about having your own business. Like, look at this. I like this color, so I'm just gonna pull it up a little bit. It's not glued down. It does have the band method thing going on here. I'm really not trying to glue stuff down just because. I don't know what that was. I'm just gonna take this and like, okay, cut this off like Like, this is all you need to do. Brush it. So this is how, don't mind that I'm gonna like gel it down or whatever. You don't even see the lace. You don't. But yeah, so this is the how I'm supposed to be doing my hair, how my hair is supposed to be looking. So once I get glammed, I'll come back and I'll show y'all how it is and do a little 360 for y'all. So I hope y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all in the next video, or the next clip to this video. Okay, y'all, it's the next day. This is how my hair looks like. It's still pretty much straight and soft or whatever. And I just wrapped it up last night in my bonnet, and then this morning I just brushed it out. So this is the final look. Let me put it to the front so you guys can see it. Just love everything about it, like I do. Alright, you guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications so you'll always be in the loop, you'll always be updated, notified, whatever, when I upload, y'all. Alright, so I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.